Welcome to the Palais de Justice. The Palais de Justice is the law court of Nice, and right in front of it you often can find flea markets or antique markets. In general, the Place du Palais de Justice is a great heritage of the neoclassical time of Nice. The recent restoration works have brought back to life the highlights of the square, which by far refer to the Palais de Justice and to the fountain. Right on there and right next to the Place du Palais de Justice, you can find restaurants and bars, and especially in the night, it's a hot spot for some drinks. If you want to find out more about the history of Nice, book your free walking tour on our website or check out our social medias in the description box below. See you next time!